This is the Transit Limited minibus, 17 seats. This is the top spec model, so it has a lot of equipment on it. So you've got the wraparound daytime running lights. You've also got front parking sensors and a front camera, which gives you a 180-degree view. This particular model is in the blazer blue, which looks great. Just come around the back, you'll see it's got a tow bar. Also comes with rear sensors, and up top there you can see the rear view camera, which also gives you 180-degree vision. Now we'll come round now to the rear of the vehicle. So this particular model is kitted out with a fire extinguisher, as you can see there. Emergency glass hammers as well. Brilliant feature about this minibus is that on each of the dual seats there is a USB, which is perfect for passengers. You also have overhead storage, lights as well, which can be turned on and off at the front here with this button. You can also control the rear of the vehicle's heating and cooling. As we look down, it's a very comfortable drive for the driver and front passenger with heated seats. You've also got the 8-inch colour touchscreen there, which goes with DAB radio and sat nav. Another good feature, like I said, at the front, it comes with a front camera, so that is that there. And you press this button here to change the view, which allows you to see almost next to the vehicle. So we move across to the steering wheel. As you can see on here, we have adaptive cruise control, which again is this button here, so it'll follow the vehicles in front. If they slow down as well. You've also got on steering wheel controls to adjust audio. This vehicle also comes standard with automatic lights and rain sensing wipers. It's a very high spec vehicle, brilliant for so many purposes. If you'd like any more information, give us a call on 01524 598 598 or come down to our showroom.